everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here. Sorry for the wet hair. I'm actually getting ready for work and I decided why waste the testing of this new palette when I could be filming. So that's what I decided to do. Today we are testing Zodiac Cosmetics. If you saw my Trend Mood unboxing, I did test the highlighter from that box, and I actually ended up using it as an eyeshadow because it was too dark for me. But I did buy one that was in my shade. It is called Apollo, and it is a very beautiful silver shade. I'm gonna give you a little swatchy. You see that right there? And that is what I have on my cheekies right now. It is a very, very blinding highlighter. It is definitely not subtle. And what I like about the packaging with these highlighters is that it has this little stopper right there, you see, so that when you open it up, there's never too much product. There's like a little netting here and a stopper here, and when you close it, there's never too much product just sifting around in there, so there's no wasted product. I really, really like the packaging of this. I think it's cute. So that is the shade Apollo. It was really the only shade that they had that I thought would work for me, but I do really, really love their highlighter formula, so I highly recommend. They are $12 a piece. On to the eyeshadow palette. I got the Gemini palette, and unfortunately, this palette did come with one shade broken. I did reach out to them, but they haven't responded yet. That is because I literally got this palette yesterday. So stay tuned about that. I'm sure that they will have great customer service. And that is what the palette looks like. You can see what shade came broken. It was this gray shade right here. But honestly, I was able to press it back pretty good without adding any kind of alcohol or anything else. It is literally the softest matte formula I have ever felt. I've never seen a matte where you could literally just press it back down together without using some type of other product. Now I will show you some swatches. This palette is absolutely beautiful, right? So as you can see, this is what I have on my eyes today. It is honestly one of the finest formulas I have ever used. I'm really, really excited about it. I cannot wait to try more of their products. So let's get on to the look, shall we? Okay, let's dig into these shadows, shall we? I am going to start first with this poor broken shade called Healer. A little ironic, right? And let's see how she does me. Oh, wow. Wow. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing how pigment that is? I barely dipped that brush and it is like full on pigment. This is so pretty. This is an amazing gray shade. Wow. I just did a little tap tap and that's it. And that is what we got in the first round. I almost feel like I'm working with like Ben Nye or some type of makeup like that. It is that pigmented. Okay, let's see how it blends out. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush here. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade Creative right here. I'm just gonna put this in my inner V. I'm gonna pack some in there. It is blending into that gray beautifully. Y'all, these shadows are beautiful. I don't know what to say. I'm so unbelievably impressed. I am shocked, honestly, just because it was so inexpensive. I only paid $15 for this palette. So the fact that these shadows are outperforming some of my much more expensive, higher end shadows is just kind of blowing my mind right now. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this shade Destiny here, and I'm going to stick my finger in it, and I'm just gonna kind of pop it on the eye where I don't have any color. Now I'm going to take this shade Money and put that right over that shade. This shade is definitely more of a topper. It's really, really pretty, but it's not super pigmented. It's just more of a topper to go on the eye. Maybe it would do better if the brush was wet. I'm not sure. Let me know if you've tried this brand and that was the case for you. Oh, it's a super pretty shade though. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Faith and do the same thing. I'm gonna stick my finger over it, and I'm gonna go over that blue that's in the corner just to kind of chill it out a little bit and give it some va-va-voom. That didn't exactly do what I wanted it to. I'm packing on just a little bit more color where it got blended out, just so it doesn't all look blue and look quite so crazy. Okay, that is the finished look minus the lashes. Maybe not the best look in retrospect to put on for work, but we're gonna go with it anyway. And we are back with the final look with the lashes, the lip, the eyeliner, and this is the completed look. The only thing we have to test now is the highlighter. Again, this is the shade Apollo. And let's see, let's dip in here. Just a little dip. Blend that out. Whoa! Whoa! Blinding! It actually looks more blinding on camera than it does in person, but you see that? Wow. Wow. Altogether, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. I think that this eyeshadow formula is amazing. They are coming out with the Zodiac 2 palettes, so I'm not sure how much longer this particular formula or this particular shade range is going to be around. I really don't have much more information than that. I just saw on their website that they have Zodiac 2 coming soon. So there it is, Zodiac Cosmetics. Honestly, I highly recommend them. Check them out. Leave a link to their website in the description below so you can check them out. And honestly guys, thank you so much for watching me today. If you like these types of videos, please like, subscribe, interact with me, talk to me. I love hearing from you guys. Comments, gripes, compliments, whatever. I want to hear it all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.